How to download Fortnite on iPhone. It's a very simple process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that your software is up to date. Once it is up to date, what you want to do is head over to Safari and then in the search bar, search for store.epicgames.com. It will land you on this official page. Over here, you can see the option where it says Install on iOS. Click on it. And then once again click on Install. Now simply tap on OK. Once you click on OK, now what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Below your Apple ID, the option of Allow apps from Epic Games will be visible to you. Head over to it. Now click on Allow at the bottom. Once you have clicked on Allow, you have to go back to your previous page and then click on Install once again. Tap on Install App Marketplace. You have to wait for a while for it to complete. Once the app has been installed, the next thing you want to do is head over to the application Epic Games Store. It will be landing you on this homepage. At the very top, you can see the game of Fortnite. The option of install will also be available to you. Click on it. The Fortnite will start to install. You have to wait for a while for it to complete. Once it has been completed, once again click on Install App. After the process of installation, you have to open the app Fortnite. Once again, you have to complete this download of 13.34 GB. Once this process is completed, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download Fortnite on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.